Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream with SPF of 50 plus. In this color, it happens to be in light. It's a full size, so it is a 1.08 fluid ounces or 32 milliliters. It's Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream with SPF 50 light, full size. And a little bit about this product. It truly gives you a full, flawless, perfect coverage and protects your skin with SPF 50 plus, with blocking out UVA and UVB broad spectrum physical sunscreen. Clinically shown to give you 179% skin hydration, smooth skin texture, enhanced skin brightness. This is a breakthrough of color correcting cream that never creases or cracks and instantly camouflages skin imperfections, including dark spots, pores, and gives you a more radiant and supple, flawless looking complexion. It was actually developed with plastic surgeons. The CC cream with SPF 50 plus is your anti-aging hydrating formula infused with high performance brightening, color correcting, and nourishing ingredients, including hydrolyzed collagen, peptides, niacin, hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, vitamins A, B, C, and E. It's the #1 best-selling, award-winning formula, full coverage, color correcting cream, anti-aging skincare, and SPF UVA and UVB broad spectrum physical sunscreen for your skin but better. And it delivers all 7 products in one, and also has the foundation, and it's a brightening, color corrector, and pore blur. So it's right now I can't wear the light on my face because I have a tan, so I've had to temporarily use a different BB or CC cream, actually foundation, but this is basically what a foundation is. But the CC stands for color correction, and it's a full coverage cream, and I love that it is SPF 50. That's great. It works really well, especially to keep the sunscreen on your face. But I'm going to show you on my hand right now a little demonstration of what it looks like. So I'm going to squeeze them onto my hand, and I'm just using a general beauty blender, just a generic one. I don't know where I got this, but make sure you get it a little wet and squeeze it out. And pro tip for you, wash your beauty blenders and brushes in Johnson & Johnson's baby soap. That is a tip I got from a professional makeup artist who told me I would save tons of money, and I have not buying brush cleaner because it works just as perfectly and gently as any brush cleaner. But like I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. So this is what the cream looks like. And I'm kind of stippling it on because you don't want to rub in BB or CC cream. You want to kind of push it into your face. That's why the beauty blender is so great. And you can wash them every day. You can just use a little bit of the baby shampoo and water, and that works. So if you can just see that it's not a huge amount of coverage, plus my skin's kind of dark right now, but it's not a huge amount of coverage. I'm going to put just a tiny bit more on to see if that will make it show up a little bit more. So like I said, you want to tap in with the beauty blender, and you see it's just a nice CC cream that covers, conceals, it doesn't crease, it's great product. I love the fact that it has SPF in it. I think everything should have SPF in it, to tell you the truth. I don't think there's enough SPF out there. So again, these full-size CC cream, full color corrective, full coverage cream, anti-aging, and hydrating serum with a SPF of 50 plus UVA, UVB. Your Skin But Better by IT Cosmetics. So like I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.